guess what? It's a beautiful day. Just look around. Look around. Guess what I'm up to? Yep, I'm on a boat ride. Yeah, well, we're down at the boatyard. Yep, we're going to take the boat out for a spin, have a whirl around, and this is the last throes of summer, isn't it? It's beautiful. Come on, come with me. Let's have a look. Well, here we are on the River Plym, and what a beautiful sight this is. It's a glorious day for September. We really are lucky to have this kind of weather. But look at this. It's amazing, isn't it? And the water is so still. You know, one of the things I enjoy the most about living in Plymouth is that we've got access to the water, whether it's a paddleboard, swimming, or lucky enough to have friends who've got a boat. And it's just great, isn't it? It's lovely. I keep on harping on about it, but it does make you feel good. Oh, there you go, there's a sign for you. Just over there, I don't know if you can see it, it says, "When we love, we live." When we love, we live. There you go. Maybe there's some truth in that. There's nothing better than being out on the water in the beautiful sunshine, no clouds around, and a beautiful blue sky. It does make you feel great, doesn't it? And you can actually go fishing here. And if you don't know where the River Plym is, it's right next to the embankment road that runs in towards Plymouth Town Centre. And it's so flat today, it's unbelievable. But what you can see is the fish popping their heads up and looking for some food, I guess. Some KFC or McDonald's. But I've got my friend here who's fishing, and so far we've got a lovely pot noodle and no KFC or McDonald's, which is a shame. But does it really matter on a day like this? I mean, it's so gorgeous, it's amazing. You just feel like you're on holiday, and yeah, it's just, maybe I need a holiday. Well, that's it. That's the boat trip. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a beautiful trip up the River Plym on a beautiful, staggering, amazing day. Absolutely incredible. That's it then. Have a good one. Bye.